Stop. Don't publish that automatic Amazon KDP campaign without knowing this. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up your automatic Amazon KDP campaign, when to set it, and the secret so that it doesn't burn through money. Hi, welcome back. My name is Gabrielle. I'm a mom of two beautiful children, a self-published author, and in my channel, I will teach you how to earn money online passively so that you can have time to enjoy your family. I know you're super excited to set up an automatic Amazon KDP campaign, but don't jump right into it because that will cost you a lot of money. So what is an automatic Amazon KDP campaign? It's a campaign where you let Amazon decide what keywords and what products to aim for when advertising your book. Some authors will tell you that first you have to set up an automatic ads campaign to find out what keywords will work for your book. And yes, that is an option, but you will burn through money while Amazon is experimenting. Which is why I suggest the second approach, which other authors recommend, myself included, which is to set up first a targeted keyword campaign in which you will be the one deciding the most relevant keywords for your book. I recently made a video about it. You can check it out here. And once you've done that for at least 2 weeks, then Amazon has learned while doing that manual campaign what your book is about. So now it will be ready for running an automatic campaign. It has a better idea of what your book is about, what keywords work already, and now you will be able to set up an automatic ads campaign that actually works and that won't burn through your money. And why would you want to do this if you already have a manual campaign that is working? Well, the reason is you want to know what other keywords could work for your book. But instead of Amazon going blindly, hitting a bunch of keywords that are probably not relevant to your book, now the Amazon algorithm is familiarized with your book based on your main keywords, and it will be more effective in running the campaign. Based on the feedback that I got from my previous Amazon ads video, I can tell you that there are several factors that will determine the success of your campaign. Just because you set up the campaign the way I told you to or that other people told you to doesn't mean that your campaign will be successful. You have to take into account the following factors. First of all, your book has to have at least 10 reviews before you ever run ads. If you don't have any reviews for your book, the campaign will not be successful because most people are not encouraged to buy unless you get reviews. I use GEMSY to get reviews. I made several videos about it. You can check it out in my Amazon KDP playlist here. And it is a fabulous tool that you can use to get reviews when you do your book launch. And if you're interested in the steps that you have to take to have a successful book launch, I have placed a link below so that you can download my free Amazon KDP book launch checklist. Another factor that will affect the success of your ad campaign is your book cover. If you don't have a great book cover, nobody will buy. And of course, there are other factors like the book description, the A+ content. There are many factors that will affect how many sales you get. And of course, it has to be a good book. But knowing how to set up an ads campaign and how to optimize it is still important, which is why in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your automatic ads campaign. So let's get right into it. Log into your Amazon KDP account and go to the Marketing tab. Here, you are going to select the marketplace in which you want to advertise. In my case, it is Amazon.com because I am in the US. Next, select Create Campaign. And in that screen, you select Sponsored Products Campaign and you create it. It will then go through several steps. You have to choose the type of ad format, and there is the ads without text and the one with text. I'm going to select custom text because I want to add my own text to my ad. But if you want to just do a standard ad, that's fine too. Next, you are going to select the products that you're going to advertise. and you can choose one book or one book in several formats. So I'm going to select the paperback, hardcover, and the Kindle version of my book. Next, you are going to select the type of targeting. In this case, it will be automatic. That's why it's an automatic ad campaign. And you are going to set the default bid. I am going to choose 0.29. This means that I will pay 29 cents per click. An optional thing that you can do is also choose negative targeting. This is to avoid your ad from being shown to people that are searching for certain keywords. In my case, I don't want to appear for searches that say free book, free ebooks, etc. And also this term, narcissistic mothers, because my book is about narcissism, but I don't want it showing up for people who are looking for books about narcissistic mothers, because that's not what my book is about. And when you're doing negative targeting, you can choose negative exact or negative phrase. I like choosing negative phrase because if you choose negative exact and you say free ebook, then when people look for free ebook, you won't show up. But when people choose free ebook for mothers, your book will show up, which is what we don't want. So I am choosing negative phrase so that when people write free ebook for mothers, my book will not show up. And then I won't be wasting my ad budget on those people that want to get a free book. The next section is the creative part, which is where you will put a phrase to advertise your book. This phrase should be very attractive to the people who are finding your book. The best way to do that is to use keywords and at the same time offer a transformation, a result, which is what people are looking for when buying your book. They want a result, they want a change, they want a transformation for their lives. And don't worry, you don't have to be an expert copywriter or anything. You can go to ChatGPT and write this down, and ChatGPT will create that ad copy, which is amazing. And make sure to tell ChatGPT to limit to 150 characters, which is the limit of characters for the ad copy. Next is the bidding strategy, and be sure to choose dynamic bids down only. That means that you will probably pay less than 29 cents per click if possible. Amazon will go down on the bid if it doesn't need more money. So some clicks will be even cheaper than what you are ready to pay. When it comes to bid adjustments, I don't touch that, but if you consider important adjusting your bid up a little bit for certain positions, like for example, top of listing, you can do that. And you can also adjust your bid by audience. I usually don't mess with this option, but you can if you want. And finally, you just set your campaign name. I like setting my campaign with the topic of the book and also the type of campaign that I'm running and the date when it starts. In this one, I forgot to put the date, but that's fine. It's the only automatic campaign that I'm running right now for that book. Don't forget to set your daily budget. I am going to keep it at $2 per day for now. One thing that I noticed they added is this forecast section, which is really cool because it does a forecast of how your campaign might work. It predicts how many clicks you will get and how many orders you will get, which is very exciting. But this option only works if you're doing a daily budget of $10 per day. I am only doing $2 per day to keep costs low while Amazon learns about my book some more during this automatic ad campaign. But you can always go in and adjust the daily budget once you are seeing that the automatic ads campaign is working. So you have to go back and optimize your campaign at some point. But remember to let your automatic ads campaign run for at least 2 weeks. After I have this campaign running for at least 2 weeks, I will check the results and I will share them with you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please like and subscribe so that you can see the results of this automatic ads campaign and what to do next. And now that everything is set, just choose draft or launch. Draft is, for example, if you have anything else that you want to add or you want to come back to it or you didn't finish setting up the campaign, then you choose save draft. But I have set up everything and I'm ready to launch. So I'm going to press launch. And that is it. That's how you set up an automatic ads campaign. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will be happy to answer. And I am very excited to share that I finally launched my blog, my website. I am super proud of it. I built it for free with System.io. So if you want to check it out and build your own website or funnel or do email marketing, you can send up to 2,000 emails per day with the free version. Just use System.io. It's super user-friendly and it is free forever if you wish. And the blog, even in the free version, has unlimited posts. You can even build communities now. I could have stayed free forever, but since I'm building several funnels and I need more tags and more options, I have upgraded to the first upgrade, which is $17 per month, which is super cheap compared to like Kajabi or Stan Store. Kajabi, I think, is $100 per month. Stan Store is, I think, $30-something per month. And they don't have all the features that System.io has. I have earned thousands of dollars online and it's growing every month. It is consistent income that you can generate for your family so that you have time to enjoy your family. This allowed me to go to Cancun to celebrate my birthday a couple of weeks ago. And I want you to be able to do that. So I am launching 3 signature courses. One is about Amazon income, showing you how to earn money through Amazon without physical products. The second one is the Digital Products Income Kit, in which I am giving you a whole business in a box. You'll have all the digital products ready to sell. You're going to have your sales funnel and you're going to have the knowledge because it includes many guides for you to learn the online business using mostly free and affordable tools. And finally, the Clone Yourself to Freedom course, which allows you to save thousands of dollars in photography sessions by creating professional photographic sessions with your clone or whatever you want to clone and to create videos with that clone. So if you're interested in any of these courses, please sign up for the wait list. And while you do that, you'll also get a free ebook about each topic, which has very valuable information to get you started. I will do a pre-launch once these products are ready, and you will be the first to get notified so that you get the special pre-launch price and the special launch price. So sign up with the links below. I have just reached 2,500 subscribers. I am so grateful for you. I love you guys. I believe you can do what I'm doing. So remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my Amazon KDP playlist.